Renewal by Andersen.
I put off replacing my old, inefficient windows for years. It can be tricky, hiring contractors, choosing the right windows, and getting them properly installed. I wanted the job done fast, and I wanted it done right. So I called these guys, the experts at Renewal by Andersen. They have the full package, a legendary quality product installed by experts with a great warranty. Best of all for me, they can be in and out in less than 1 day.
Plus, this month, save $200 off each window and $400 off each patio door with payments as low as $72 a month.
I heard that over 98% of Renewal by Andersen customers are happy with the experience. And happy's good. Renewal by Andersen. You'll love your new windows.
Renewal by